Your moment is now. Let me ask you one question. If today was the last day of your life, would you be happy with how you lived it? If something inside you just got tight, that is not by accident. That is your soul telling you it is time to change. Nobody is coming to save you. No luck, no perfect situation. Only you. Only your decision. Stop making excuses. You tell yourself, I have no time, no money, I am too old, conditions are not right. But you know what? All of that is a lie you tell yourself every single day. An excuse is just a way to avoid responsibility, nothing more. Look at Nick Vujicic, a man born without arms and legs. He could have said, I have no chance. Instead, he traveled the world, wrote books, and inspired millions of people. So what is stopping you? Your habits are your future. Every day you make a choice. Open a book or scroll your phone for hours. Wake up 1 hour earlier or stay in bed. Work on your goal or watch other people live their lives. Successful people are not special. They have the same 24 hours that you have. The only difference is how they use those hours. Start small. Want to learn a language? Learn 10 new words a day. Want to change your body? Start with 15 minutes of movement. Want to save money? Put aside even a small amount every week. Small actions done every day turn into big results. Think about the people who believed in you. Remember your mother, how many nights she did not sleep because of you, how many times she said no to herself just to give you more. Remember your father, his hands, his tiredness, his quiet sacrifice for your future. You are living for them too. Imagine the moment when you can say to them, everything is okay, I made it. Now it is my turn to take care of you. This is not a dream, this is a goal. Failure is not the end. J.K. Rowling wrote Harry Potter as a single mother with no job and no money. 12 publishers said no to her book. She could have stopped after the first no, after the 5th, after the 10th, but she did not stop, and she changed the world. Elon Musk lost almost all his money when his first rockets failed one after another. He put his last money into the 4th launch, and it worked. Failure is not the end. It is a lesson. It is experience that makes you stronger if you keep going. Control what is in your head. Your mind is like a garden. What you plant in it will grow. If every day you say to yourself, I cannot do it, I am not good enough, I will fail, that will become your reality. Start telling yourself something different. Say it out loud, every day. I can do this. I am growing. I deserve better. At first, it will feel strange, but your brain does not know the difference between truth and what you truly believe. Give it the right message. Your circle matters. Look at the 5 people you spend the most time with. Do they inspire you or pull you down? Do they talk about dreams or about problems? Do they take action or just complain? You become the average of the people around you. This is not cruel, it is just the way things work. Find people who are already where you want to be. Learn from them, grow with them. Time does not wait. Here is a hard truth. You will not be young forever. Every day lived at half your power is a day you will never get back. There is no perfect moment,
No perfect time. They do not exist. Only now exists. Ask yourself every evening one simple question. What did I do today to get closer to my dream? If you have no answer, do something different tomorrow. You are not defined by your past, not by your mistakes, not by lack of money, not by what people said about you or your situation. You are defined by what you decide to do right now. The world is waiting for your best self. It is already inside you. Just let it out. The words are simple, but the message is strong. This text is good for English learners because the sentences are short and the vocabulary is easy to understand.